Beauty of technicals here in crude oil. See how beautifully it has respected 67.8 levels today, and now see it is showing a bit of a struggle. What we call it as a struggle zone at 68.6, 69, and right now positioned precisely in the same zone. While natural gas beautifully hitting the highs at 3.16, we have now seen a bit of consolidation, and it is now trading at 3.1. So what to expect today from oil and gas? Which direction it's gonna take? Where to buy, where to sell, how to profit, everything we're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update for the day, and this is the only channel in the world to give you two updates with a logical reasoning, with all multi-time frame analysis and the levels at which you can take a trade with profits, trade with confidence. Subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon, do like, share and comment, join the free telegram channel for live updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first to look into US crude, followed with net gas. Watch. What's happening in crude oil? See, first of all, earlier in the day, I have mentioned that eliminate this noise. And if you eliminate this noise, what you will find? You will find a box like this. And now you know that once it comes out of the box, we are ready for a move towards 70.70, 70.5, 70.6 zone. Very, very clear. This will become a good base, and then it will create the building out here at least till towards 70. Yes, we have the inventory data for crude oil releasing in some time during US session. That will also add to the further volatility. Now, one thing is clear, if it trades now below 67.8, you can expect, now this zone is critical, 67.8, 67.5, and any drop below this is the sign of reversal, sign of further down move here. Notice after every drop it just consolidates before it takes a direction, but yesterday we have seen it already hitting the low, so now it can show you an opposite move here. The stochastic at top, the MACD is bullish, the RSI is rising, signs are still supportive for further bulls. Coming to two, similar formation on the 2 hour charts, it has formed a very good base here at 67.8, and now it is definitely going to be difficult for it to break this. And the second thing is, see, till now it was delivering lower highs, and now it is giving a breakout here, which means if it stays above 69 and then 69.3, we can aim for 70 and 70.5, 70.6. Beyond this, it will confirm a reversal here. This possibility you should not ignore. Notice this also. Look at this. Yes, slightly higher highs, slightly higher lows. It can reverse completely from here as well. The stochastic is rising. The MACD and RSI both are rising here on the 2 hour charts as well. When you see the 3 hour, the observation is more or less same here on the 3 hour charts. But remember, after the drop, this is consolidation. Though this formation suggests that the move could be on the upside, this formation suggests that we are looking forward to a reversal. However, you should not forget that if it drops below 67.8, 67.5, stay short. We are looking forward to 66 zone. Anything and everything is possible. These are markets. Now see, moving averages are trading with divergence, and now the price is trading above moving average. Very, very important. We may see 69 soon, and once it stays above 69 and 69.3, chances will be very, very high that we may see 70 and 70.5, 70.6. Stochastic rising, the MACD rising, the RSI rising, signs are supportive for a bullish move here. Look at the 4 hour charts. The observation is same. See, a stronger base is created. Either it breaks this base, either it breaks this wall, or it gives a breakout here on the upside. Now, the time it has taken suggests that it can try to reverse from here. Also, this tail is important because see what it has done. It has achieved the double bottom here, and ideally I will say it is not double bottom, but yes, it has achieved the double bottom. And yes, if you see this higher lows here, so possibly we are aiming for higher highs in the near future. Indicators are starting to rise. The MACD has crossed over here at the bottom, trading with divergence suggestive of bullishness. And I have shown you, look at the formation on the 4 hour charts. Whenever it hits this lows, it always tries to recover. The RSI is rising as well. And now coming to, now before we move to daily charts, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. If you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email or ping me over Telegram for your queries. And if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you a swap-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now look at the daily charts. Very, very important to note. I have mentioned earlier, look at this. The movement here for oil is in this box for a while now. it has been staying in the zone. And if you look at this, the drop here and now trying to stay again in the zone. Now it is very important for it to either trade below 67, 66.8, 66 and 65. If these three levels are taken, consider this as a breakout which is going to take it below 64 and 62 zone. Very, very clear. Now what is happening today? See, it has formed a base. Yesterday we have seen it delivering lower highs and the lows here, and now this appears to become the reversal handle. So possibly once it trades above 69, 69.3 today, we can aim for 70, and once it breaks beyond 70, we can look forward to a reversal. So our buying entries are clear. We can buy here at now 68.8 levels, expect 69, 69.3, 69.8, 70, and then 70.4, 70.6. If now see 70 and then 70.4, 70.6, these are the two levels which are going to remain very, very critical for crude oil for the day. Yes, there is a possibility that we may see a move towards this. However, these are going to remain definitely tougher levels for it to break past by, because beyond this, my targets are high towards 71.4, 72.5, and then towards the sky at 75. So this is something you should keep a watch of. On the downside, now see, we have seen only the greener side of it. What if it crashes, and where you should sell? Ideally, a selling entry now is limited at 67.8. Though you can enter a bit early, you can sell here at 68.2, but it is at your own risk, as 67.8 it needs to break, which will confirm its further down move, and then 67.5. Till 67.5, your capital is at risk. Remember this fact. Below 67.5 is where the bears will take over, and then you can look forward to a greater correction towards 67, 66.8, 66.2, 66, and then 64.8, 65 as the three targets which are going to remain the prime support. I do not see that happening, but yes, these are markets. Keep your eyes open. Now let's move to natural. Oh, natural gas, you beauty. I have mentioned several times, double bottom leads to double top. It has precisely breached this. And now we all know that once it breaches this, it is a rocket on the upside. I have shared several times that we will aim for 3.5 levels, 3.6 levels. Now let's start with the hourly charts. What's happening? Rise retracement towards 2050, rise retracement towards 20, and now waiting for it to break out, and a breakout confirmation. If it trades above 3.12, you can buy here, expect 3.1516, and then 3.2, 3.24. Any move beyond 3.24 today, tomorrow, day after tomorrow, next week, stay bullish. 3.5 is the next targets. Yes, right now I can see a very good support coming in for net gas here, and you also know that this is the support zone it needs to break in order to turn bearish here. If you look at the stochastic, this is at bottom. The MACD is bearish. The RSI has dropped here. And when you see the on the 2 hour charts, the observation is same. See the pattern here: rise, retracement, rise, retracement, rise, retracement. Now this retracement has come very, very quickly, and thus it can reverse again as well. And if you see it is staying above 3.12, you can buy and expect 3.1516, because beyond this we can look forward to a greater rise. The stochastic at bottom here, while the MACD is trading bearish. Now these few points you should keep a note of, that the MACD is still trading bearish here. The RSI has dropped. On the 3 hour, the observation is similar. See, remember one point, that today 3.14, 3.15, or rather I will say 3.14, 3.16 is the zone which is again going to play a major role today. And as long as it respects the zone, we have to be careful. Though right now what it is forming is this, it can shoot up here, but I will say you have to be watchful, because right now I can see that the some of the indicators are still suggestive of further drop. See, the stochastic is at bottom, but look at the MACD crossing over at the top. It is trading with divergence. It is staying bearish, and it suggests that there is lot much of downside available here. The RSI has dropped as well. On the 4 hour charts, when you see, the observation is similar. Now also notice that too much of divergence calls for it to converge. Now convergence means the support zone for natural gas lies at around 3.0405, which it needs to break in order to turn bearish today. Very, very clear. Stochastic dropping here. See MACD crossing over here, trading with divergence, suggestive of bearishness. The RSI has dropped as well. And when you come to the daily, on the daily chart, see yesterday's move was very important, because what it did is higher lows, higher highs, lower lows, a swing here. And now the bearishness today is only and only if you see net gas trading below 3.04. Now see what it has done. It has started on almost a flat note here. Right now it's struggling to either break on the upside or downside. Now this suggests that if you see it is staying above 3.12, when the lower price is above 3.12, you can buy. But again, as I said, the capital is at risk as long as now 3.1416 is not taken, because beyond this I will aim for 3.2, 3.24, and a stronger rise from there onwards. But looking at the yesterday's swing, we have to keep our eyes open, because see, some of the indicators are still not very much support of the rise here. And thus if you see the higher price below 3.080, you can take a sell, expect 3.060, 3.040. And once natural gas trades below 3.040, chances will be high that we may see 3 and we may see 2.98, 2.95 level. Though as far as my expectation is there, I do not see it breaking below 2.9495 today at least. Maybe in some point of time in near future it may try to fill this gap, but right now I can say the stance is not very much supportive of such a stronger drop. So looking at this, very simple: buy at 3.12 and sell at 3.08. In between this, do not trade. The levels on the upside and downside I have already mentioned. So trade as per this, trade accordingly, trade with a stop loss and a trailing stop loss. Like, share, subscribe and comment, join my mentorship batch and signals channel, reach out to me for your queries. Do not forget to press the like button. Do not forget to subscribe, share, and comment. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day.